Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Gilberts, local and long-distance movers near me. When it's time to move across the country, we offer the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to relocate to the next state over or across the country, we can help you. Our team offers the most professional services for your move. We can get you to where you need to go much easier. Choosing an Illinois moving company will ensure that you get the most out of your local move. A moving company can save you time and energy. Imagine all the hard work your move will include if you do it all yourself. You have to pack up, lift everything into a truck, unload it all, and unpack everything at your new location. Choosing 3 movers means you can avoid the heavy lifting. We can even do the packing and unpacking if you want to save so much more time. Our team can help you get moved into your new location so much easier and faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gilberts moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.